Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to specialize this Premiere Pro loading page in a few steps to change it from this to something like this or whatever you want. Alright, first things first, you need to find this Premiere Pro icon by searching it in this box. And the next step is to right click on the Premiere Pro icon and then open the file location. Do it again. Now open the folder that says PNG. You gotta find the loading page in this folder. We're gonna scroll down a little bit. Alright, here it is. There are 3 of them right in this folder. You need to make a copy of them. So select these 3 files, copy them, just in case. Make a copy of these photos if you ever wanted to make it as it was. Okay, I'm gonna paste them right in this folder. Now you need to open your Photoshop and add these photos to it. Alright, now you need to pick the selection tool and then select this part of the photo. Okay, now press Ctrl J or Command J if you're using a Mac to make a copy of it. Now you need to add the photo that you have in mind and place it exactly where you want it. I have downloaded this photo before. I'm gonna place it right here, make it a little bit bigger. Now hover your mouse to the photo file and hold Alt and click on the edge of it to stick it to the underlying photo. You can even change this text right here to something like Adobe Bro How or whatever you want. Nice.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
Now it's time to export it. Make sure to make a PNG file. Export this in PNG files. It's time to rename these files. Make 3 copies of these photos and replace the names exactly the same as it was. Now open the file location, do it once again to get to the PNG files and replace these photos that you have just exported to the photos that you had before. And that's where the magic happens. There you go. If you liked this video and was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys.